Here's a late model vehicle just in. A customer of ours asked if we'd represent this one and sell it for him. It's a nice one owner, clean Carfax. So we said, sure, bring it on in. 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus. So very nicely equipped. And like I just mentioned, one owner, they bought it brand new, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 54,000 is all in this one. Jazz Blue Pearl is the exterior color. Interior, when you get around to that, will be black and alloy with leather bucket seats. So take a look at the front fascia. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Does have the optional 18-inch painted wheels, Goodyear Assurance radials. Underneath the hood, 3.6 liter V6, automatic with overdrive. Get around to the interior, you're going to see that it has the stow and go seating. Let's check that out right now. And you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. It also has second row heated seats as well as the front row. So interior, very nice shape as you can see. It's black with alloy. The alloy would be the perforated front seats. Does have the Uconnect navigation with the 8.4-inch display you've seen on the dash there. 13 Alpine speakers in this baby. Nice sound system. You'll be able to see the window sticker. If you want to see exactly how this is equipped, window sticker will be on our website in with the still pictures. That's uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation too. If you'd like to have a third party come inspect this for you, check it out. We're open to third party inspectors. Not a problem. Try to represent these as fair as we can with all the pictures that are taken and videos that are done, driving videos, the walk around videos. It's kind of just a few, I don't know, little kind of scuffs or what have you right there. It's nothing too bad, but there's a little bit right there. Let's go ahead and open this driver's side door up, take a little closer look at the rear. And you'll be able to see all of this in the still pictures, as well as with the stow and go. Of course, 2 displays. Both sides can fold down. All your modern amenities, of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat, steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start this up. There's your exact miles, what, 54,777. There's the Uconnect. Dash. What you'd expect in a vehicle is only, what, 3 years old? 4 years old now. Climate control, dual climate control. Guess we can take a peek underneath the hood. Let me show you how clean it is. I'm going to pause this a second so I can put that prop rod up. There we go. Not quite as exciting as, say, a big block Corvette or 57 fuel injected Chevy, but show you how clean it is. Nice and tidy underneath there, of course. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Nothing to hide on this one, folks. 2013 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus, one owner, clean Carfax. It's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. You can do that by calling 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures of this. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. Something a little different. Very nice condition. 54,780 miles currently. Good acceleration, as you would expect. The air conditioning is blowing cold right now. This has stowaway seats. Lots of room for anything you want to put inside. All our gauges are working. Factory radio working well, navigation. If I let go of the steering wheel, it just stays nice and straight. Use the rear backup camera when leaving the showroom. Lots of nice modern features. Brakes are working well. Very comfortable cruiser. No matter what you need to haul around. Take a look at all the pictures at Unique Classic Cars.